Hi, I am back with another exciting tutorial. In the era of generative and agentic AI, if you are not automating your business operations, then you are definitely falling behind. Most people waste hours manually replying to leads, updating sheets, and writing proposals. In this video, I'll show you how I automated that entire process, from a website lead form to a personalized email reply, in just a few steps using Make.com and AI. Let's jump straight into Make.com. I have just created a new scenario. You can also use the available templates according to your needs. So, according to my required workflow, I will first add a webhook. You can click on Generate New Webhook. After it finishes processing, copy the link and place it in your website lead form. Here I was catching my leads directly in email. Now I will add a new webhook and paste the link I have copied from Make and publish changes. So, I've connected a webhook to my Framer website's lead form. Anytime someone fills out their name, email, message, and budget, it's instantly captured here. Now, to test the scenario, run it once and then send dummy data from the website. Perfect. It's now catching the data. Now, let's move to the next step to enter data into a Google Sheet. Add a Google Sheet module with the Add New Row function. Connect your Google account, then select your file and then the sheet. I have already created a Google Sheet with the required fields. You will see your sheet headers after selecting the sheet. Now, let's just fill in your data that you have caught through the webhook. For the lead ID, I am adding a random number variable. Then match the respective variables for each field, like name, email, and budget. I am adding lead status here manually, which we will change in other steps as we move forward. That lead info is then passed into GPT. Add GPT's chat completion module. After that, go to your OpenAI dashboard and create a new private key to connect your account. Copy the key and paste it into the module, and you are done. Now let's add a message. Select the role system so it knows how to behave. I have instructed it to behave like an expert design and development agency system. Now add another message and select the role user. I've given GPT a detailed prompt so it knows when to send a quote and when to request a consultation. It even respects the client's budget field and generates a realistic timeline with an email body to send in the next step. In the next step, we will add a Gmail module to send an email. Now the response goes straight to Gmail. The AI has already generated a full HTML email body with a subject line, so all I do is map those variables and hit send. Boom, the client gets a personalized reply within seconds. Right now, the automation sends the email. But here's where it gets really powerful. Next, I'll enhance it by updating Google Sheets with the lead status, estimated budget, and timeline, so we always have a record of leads. After that, I'll add automated contract signing, project management tasks in Notion, and follow-ups if the client doesn't respond. If you want me to build an automation like this for your business, so you save hours and never miss a lead, drop a comment or reach out. And subscribe for more such valuable stuff.